I think that one's easier. It's got more room for mistakes. Where then there's a stair step, so if you get too far for the right, it could throw you off.
Which one did you do? Which one?
Yeah, just go up that, and once you get your front tire up, you have a lot of area. You don't have to worry about anything else.
Hell's got to have a pristine runway.
I should go take my coat off and lay it down for him.
Maybe you should just go do it for him.
I could do that too. Actually, we could probably almost get this done here.
Yeah, come right up and through there. Some Graham Jarvis
It's
stuff.
just these rocks are slick when your tire's wet.
Yeah. All right, here he goes. Take one.
Ooh.
Here's Jared and
I
I.
almost fell on that rock right there.
Yeah. Jared and I have been up here for like 30 minutes waiting for Elliot because he had to stack some rocks.
All right. Grab your balls and go.
Ha!
Well, if I break my leg, you can go ahead and take me to Corona Virus Central.
No, we'll just take your bike.
We're leaving you for dead, so don't wreck.
This rocky wet stuff's easy to bury somebody. So this rocky wet stuff's easy to bury somebody.
Yeah.
Just gotta be careful not to step forward with your helmet, you know. All right, here he goes. Take one.
Oh,
Oh, look at him.
What the hell? What is he doing?
I don't know. He's summoning. He's squaring it up, I guess.
I'm really disappointed in you
Hey,
right now.
if your brothers can't bust your balls, I don't know who can.
I hear you, brother.
Well, you already got scared on that section down there.
I know. He backed us
Screwed us
all
all
up.
up.
Holy cow, man. He was the constipation of the freaking rock system.
I thought Fushi stayed home today.
He's all nervous right now. He's like, oh, Jesus
He's
Christ.
scooting way back on the seat. Oh.
Hey, that wasn't so hard. Oh, up. Oh, shit.
It's up there. Yeah.
Safe.
On the rock or wet.
That's a good example of how not to do it.
He had the easy part was.
I know. You got the hard part done.
I think that 120 is too tall for that.
No, I had nothing to do with what just happened.
Well, I mean, his RPMs are just like.
I'm running in a 120. I got a 120 on mine.
Do you?
Yeah. Come on, bud.
You have a recluse though.
That is true. I do have a recluse.
You need some help, sweetie?
No, I think my foot is slipping. Oh,
Yeah, I'm recording this until you get over here, bud. Floundering around on the rocks.
Come on, Elliot. It's just like Fushi. It's those guys with those Husqvarnas.
Yeah, those Huskies, man, they're pieces of shit.
I think we've done worse stuff today than this.
Yeah, I think so too. Oh, now his bike's flooded. Just don't forget, brother, we love you, man. Need some help over there? Okay, I'm gonna spare him. GoPro, stop recording.